Hi everybody, Cody here. I want to show you 5 features that we think any shared inbox tool should have. In fact, these are features that we think make something like Keeping better than email delegation or Google's own collaborative inbox feature. So you're looking at my Gmail account, and when you install Keeping, you'll see that we add an extra folder here on the left, and this is my shared inbox. So these are all the emails that are arriving at support at, help at, whatever my shared inbox email address is. And the first feature I want to show you is something called collision detection. So when you're using email delegation or Google's collaborative inbox, it's really easy to reply to the same email twice. So I might reply at the same time as my coworker. With a tool like Keeping, you can see that we already know that another person is already looking at this email. And if I try to reply, Keeping's going to tell me that Cameron has already started working on a reply a few minutes ago, so probably I shouldn't reply. So that's collision detection, and it's really helpful to sort of share an inbox without replying to the same email twice. The second feature I want to show you are shared notes. Sometimes you're reading an email and you don't really have all the information you need to solve the issue, so you can use a shared note, which includes @mentions, to collaborate with your coworkers to solve the problem on the side, and then you can reply back to your customer or whoever wrote the email and get back to them without forwarding things around. Another feature that comes with a tool like Keeping is one-click sharing, and so you can create a private link for any email conversation and very easily put that into another tool, Slack, wherever, and share an email conversation outside of Gmail, and the recipient will be able to see the full context of what you're looking at without editing it. So it's an easy way to share a read-only view of a ticket, which is really, really helpful when you're collaborating on an inbox. The fourth feature I want to show you that should come with any shared inbox tool is just the ability to assign email, and your team would be right here. You can assign this particular ticket to one or more team members, would go into their little mind folder over here, and so you add accountability to a shared inbox feature, and you can really decide who's working on what, which is really, really helpful when lots of folks are sharing an inbox. As part of that, every email, when you're using a tool like Keeping, comes with an activity log, and so you can see from the very second this email came in, every single thing that's happened on it, being able to understand who did what, and really making sure you know what happened on that particular email. Next feature I want to show you are shared templates. And so if you get the same questions over and over again, you find yourself replying back to the emails with the same text, you can use a shared template to quickly insert an answer into your message. These are shared with your entire team, so everyone has access to them, and this can save a ton of time. That's 5 features. I want to show you one more. So one of the things that's really quite challenging to do inside something like Gmail is collaborating on a draft. So perhaps I'm writing a reply that's to a customer. Keeping has a shared draft feature, which means I can very easily start typing a draft, click share, and then the rest of my team will get a copy of this draft, and you can say, oh, I need help with this section, help me here, and in real time they'll see me making edits, which is really, really handy when you need to collaborate on a draft. So there are 6 features that we think make a tool like Keeping way better than email delegation or Google's collaborative inbox feature. Just go to keeping.com if you want to learn more. There's a 14-day free trial, no credit card required. We hope you check it out.